Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make variants on Shopify. Product variants are essential for offering customers choices, such as different sizes, colors, or materials for a single item. They allow you to manage unique details for each option, including specific pricing, inventory levels, and even distinct images. This capability significantly improves the customer's shopping experience and helps present your products more effectively on your online store. To begin adding variants, first navigate to the specific product within your Shopify admin dashboard. Scroll down until you locate the variants section. Here, you will find a button labeled Add Options, like size or color. Clicking this button allows you to start defining the attributes for your product. Remember, Shopify allows you to add up to 3 distinct options for each individual product. Once you have added an option, it's time to define its values. For example, if your option is size, you would enter values like small, medium, and large. Be sure to separate each value with a comma. This action automatically generates individual variants for every unique combination. This streamlined process ensures that each distinct product offering is properly represented in your store. After defining your variant values, you can manage the specific details for each one. Click on each generated variant to set its unique price, stock keeping unit, barcode, and available inventory quantity. It is also highly recommended to upload specific images for each variant, ensuring customers see the exact product they are selecting. Finally, save all your changes to publish these new product variants to your online store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.